Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create and manage Zendesk community forums. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to zendesk.com and you'll be greeted by their official website. Now when you're there, you just need to go and log into your profile. If guys, of course, you maybe do not have a profile, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Zendesk official page where you can first of all get started, create your account, in the ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, help center, reporting and analytics. And also you have on the left side, you have everything about your tickets, which is really important. You have your unsolved tickets, the recently updated tickets, pending tickets, etc, etc. Also, here you can also go and edit stuff about a single ticket. So you can click on it and you can edit it, merge it, mark it as spam, or even delete it if you want. You have here on the left side also everything about your customers. So basically all of their mails, names, and everything. You can go, of course, and change these. And you can, of course, also go and add new customers. In the top right corner, you have your profile view where you can view your profile, products, updates, get help, support help center, keyboard shortcuts, give feedback about privacy policy, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to create and manage this Zendesk community forums. So Zendesk provides community forum software that gives your customers the chance to help each other, inspire one another, and share fresh ideas for how to strengthen your product or service. It's like a focus group without donuts. So basically, in the guide, click the settings icon. So you have to go here, click have your guide, click there, click on the settings icon, and then select active community and click save. So guys, that is basically everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.